Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back with an Erin Condren haul from October, and it's now November 5th, so hang with me. Alright, I just cut the tape. I haven't opened anything up yet, so I'm saving it to do with y'all, because, you know, I love you guys. Anyways, I hope you guys will enjoy this. So, they pack everything beautifully, and I am just so appreciative. I feel like everything gets here in such good order. So, it has been so long, I don't even know what's in here. Oh, I know what this is. Okay, this is that darling new little accordion pencil pouch. I thought this was so cute. So, when I travel, I don't take one set of pens or pencils. I take like 5. How perfect would that be? And then you just unzip them and you go at them. I can't tell you, when I saw this, I thought, okay, it's like an accordion, you know, has handles. That's perfect. For me, it's perfect. For some people, carrying something that big would be not, but for me, it's fantastic. And when you're finished, if you have flat things in it, you just close it down. Isn't that cute? It's got a really nice, like, wipeable surface. You got this glitzy gold. It's too cute. So, that was amazing. I had gotten a whole bunch of discount codes. I had like customer points. I had all that. So this was one of those things like, no brainer. Let's just do it. Oh, oops, hold on. I knocked over my drink and my birdie because I have only one light above us. So here we go. So I wanted some of these things. This is an I Am Enough. So this journal is 70 unique activities and journal prompts to remind you that you're worthy of love, deep joy, and connection. Inspirational quotes, illustrative metallic sticker sheet. So let's open this up. So many of you know that I'm on kind of a, what am I supposed to do next, Lord, kind of part of my journey. And I thought there was tape. Anyways, and so, you know, I go through a lot of Christian things, but I thought there's a lot of things here that are of value. And they are metallic. Ooh, I love that. So creating kindness each day. I love that. So there's lots of encouragement. What does I am enough mean to me? So there's a lot of things that you go through and you work out yourself. And for me, I need a lot of that right now. I need to figure out what are the next steps. And of course, I'm doing it through God's Word. But I also need to sit down and say, okay, what are the gifts and talents God's given me? Let's work through this, and then let's dig in the Word, you know, the Bible, and see how that applies. So I love all these. They're metallic. That's so cute. Kind people are my kind of people. I agree. That's always a blessing. So I love that. Okay, and then let's see here. And I also have a video that I have not loaded yet of when I went into the shop in Austin. So this is gorgeous. Yeah, this is the dot grid. So I love that. I think that's beautiful. I love that foil. And then here is the Petite journal. And then this one I think is the dot grid. I can't remember. But, yeah. Hold on. My little fingers have been cold all day. And just so you know, these are 5.7 inches by 8.25. So they fit in their traveler's journals beautifully. And this, yeah, this is a part of the kaleidoscope, and it was a dot grid. And these are good size dot grid. I mean, they're not like tiny. I like that. You know, the older I get, the harder it is to see. Be the reason someone smiles today. So this is a daily planner. Oh, goodness. I've got, oh, goodness. It's just, we won't go there. All right. Now, this one is volume 4. This is the 2020. So, yes. So, you know, I'm going to be using this as a planner. And then here is the, whoops, wait a minute. I have to have the whole thing, don't I? Let me see here. Let's see. Huh. I wonder what I was thinking. So this is the 2020, October through December. So that's the part 4. Uh-oh. I bet I clicked the wrong thing. You know, I have another box. Maybe that's where the other 3 are. Okay. Well, there's the part 4. I have 2 of the successful people, those with successful habits. So these are the checklist ones. So I'm only going to open one. Hold on, hold on. Oh, goodness. it's nighttime. I can't see where all these are. Plus, I'm having to sit at a funny angle. I'm sorry. I need my little table over here. So these are just checklist pages. Don't you like those? Aren't those great? I love that. Okay, so there's that. And then here is a passion and purpose give you progress. So this is a wellness log. And I wanted to have done this by now. I am focusing on a change in my diet to better suit where I'm at. So this is what I'm working on right now, and I thought this is great. It has the, the exercise, it has the floral that I love, and I love rose gold. So I thought I would do that. I also picked up, sorry guys, the 2 sticker sheets for goal setting journal. So I thought that was great. Here is the Share the Love journal includes, it's for you to create for somebody else. So I'm going to do this for my husband for our anniversary. And, we've been through a lot these last few years. So it's kind of nice to remember, every day write something special. And so, for, let me see, how many days do you do it? Hold on. 50. So how exciting is that? So I'm excited. This is perfect timing. It also has great stickers and washi and hearts and kisses and all kinds of good stuff. So I'm going to do that for my husband. I have 2 of that one. I already shared that one with you. And this one is Jot Your Thought. So, hold on. One last thing I'll open for you. I'm trying not to open the repeats, if that makes any sense. So, this is the lined. And I thought that was pretty too. I really enjoy the Erin Condren planner. I have not gotten as busy in it as I should be right now. I'm going to take this out. And, I'm going to use that. And, I'm going to use that sticker. But I just wanted to be kind of honest with you guys. I always try to shoot it straight. Life has been busy these last many years. And I have a great desire to do all these things. And I just have to, like everybody else, set aside the time and get to it. And I have some real plans for this particular journal. It has to do a lot with wellness and family and all of that. And that's where my focus is for this particular purchase. So I hope you guys like this. Everything Erin Condren does, there's so many beautiful things that she creates, and how much fun is that? So I hope you like this. This was a very quick haul. I'm going to come back with the second box that I received. I know what that is. But I wanted to share this with you, and I have that other video. I'll put these all up together because they all go together. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, we'd love to have you. And I live close to Austin, so I get to go into the Austin Erin Condren. I've gotten to share some things with you guys. So we do some of everything. We do planners, we do Bible studies, we do Bible journaling, we do hauls, we do all kinds of stuff. So come on back. We'd love to have you, and we'd love for you to be a part of our channel. This really is like a very amazing, encouraging, sweet, small family that people just encourage each other here, and that's what this channel is all about. So we'd love to have you. Leave a comment or email me at josephinesdesigns.com @gmail.com is listed below in the About section above. And lastly, share this if it would encourage anybody else. So, if anything, how much fun is that? Who's ever had a pencil case like that? Oh my goodness gracious, she is hilarious. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Most importantly, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate your time. I'm going to let you go. Have a great evening. I'll be talking to y'all soon. Y'all come on back. This is going to be part probably 2 of the series. All right, friends. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.